In this video, I will show you how to write an email in Sabri Suby's voice. Sabri Suby is the founder and head of growth of King Kong, a digital marketing agency in Australia. In fact, it is one of the fastest digital marketing agency in Australia, as per a few reports. You can check out kingkong.co.au. The reason why I love this guy is because I interviewed him last year. My mind just blew up with ideas, and very recently he is becoming a shark in Shark Tank Australia, which is like beautiful. And that is not the reason why I want to leverage ChatGPT to write emails like him. The reason is I have read his book, Sell Like Crazy. If you haven't read, do read it. On the other hand, he writes beautiful emails. I love his email copies, and I always wish, can I write my emails like this? So in today's video, what we will do is we will use ChatGPT 4 to write something like Sabri, right? So without any further ado, let's get started. Yesterday, I received an email from him which goes something like this. The headline says, "This is the riskiest thing ever." And then there was a beautiful email that talks about how do you become different, how do you become unapologetically wild, how do you become fucking awesome, and all of that stuff, right? And he is pitching his services after that, like book a call with me and whatnot. But I love the articulation in this email, and I felt, dude, what would I not give to write emails like these? And that's when this idea struck on how do I use GPT-4, my best buddy, to write something like him, right? So it's pretty simple. I will go ahead and open up ChatGPT, which looks something like this, and I'll click on Model GPT-4. Next, simply copy this entire email. If possible, I would also write, analyze all the emails, and I'll also take out the subject line. I'll go back. I'll be like subject, paste, body, and right before the subject, I will write analyze the email below and let me know the tone, the tone, the vibe, and the overall grammar of this email, and what makes this type of copy so great, right? So I asked GPT-4 to basically analyze this email and let me know what exactly is so good about this. So Sabri uses a very informal conversational tone, and it's very energetic, irreverent, like I don't care kind of attitude, but it's also funny at the same time. And he gives out a lot of very good emails, right? So you can see the tone of this email is informal, conversational, and energetic. It aims to grab the reader's attention and hold it by using strong language and a direct, no-nonsense approach. The vibe of this email is bold, rebellious, and unapologetic. It encourages the reader to be daring, unique, and confident in their approach to life and marketing rather than conforming to societal norms and expectations. Overall grammar of this email is good, but it contains informal language, sentence fragments, and profanity, which may not be appropriate for all audiences. Of course, come on, that's why we love him. However, the stylistic choices contribute to the distinct tone and vibe of the email. So what makes this so great? It's engaging, attention grabbing, because it breaks away from the norm and employs a distinct voice. It effectively conveys a sense of urgency and excitement, which makes it more likely that reader will take action. The author's use of strong language, humor, and vivid imagery also creates a memorable reading experience and builds a connection with the target audience. This is so beautiful, right? This is perfect. Now, what I would do here is I'll simply ask, I have written a couple emails, so I'll open one of the emails. This one, let's say. Okay, this is a 1,000-word email. I will go back to ChatGPT, rewrite the below email in the above tone, vibe, and overall grammar. Make sure that it delivers a similar impact. And I'll paste this. So let's see. All right, subject line: brace yourself for a wild ride. Hey there, adventurer, ready to blow the roof off your sales game? Then we'll put an image. Let me take you back to September of 2021. I was barely scraping by in high ticket sales, struggling to close even 2 or 3 deals a month. Frustrated as hell, I was ready to throw in the towel, but then, like a lightning bolt for the heavens, I found spin selling by Neil Rack. Bro, this is beautiful. I mean, come on, look at this. Look at how do you not like it, right? This I won't say is completely uses Sabri Suby's framework, but it looks pretty damn good, right? I will obviously use my own tone and own language on top of it, and the reason why it is kind of coming out well is because I already wrote an email in my own voice, right, my own tone, and combining that with somebody that I really admire really makes this particular email powerful. So yeah, looks pretty solid to me. I'll obviously add a little bit more data below stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, because I have actually written a lot in this email. So yeah, Jan's sales savage party, beautiful. So we got an email right there. So this is a very, very simple way to make ChatGPT write emails, sales copies, and even ads on a particular person's tone. If you like, let's say Ben Settle, who is another email marketer, I can take one of his emails or maybe a couple more of his emails, put it on GPT, ask it to analyze the emails and rewrite my emails based on Ben Settle's voice. So this way what happens is, the emails become better, and because this framework is already proven to work for other people, you also get a similar response. And if you like more of this kind of videos, do let me know in the comments regarding what more sort of videos I should create and present to you. All right, thank you very much and see you in the next video.